can't import my own modules in Python. I'm having a hard time understanding how module importing works in Python. I've never done it in any other language before either. Let's say I have. Now I'm trying to get something like this. However, I'm definitely doing something wrong, as Python can't see that my app is a module.
The function import looks for files into your Python path env variable and your local directory. So you can either put all your files in the same directory, or export the path typing into a terminal.
In your particular case, it looks like you are trying to import some object from the myapp.py and testcase.py scripts. From myapp.py, do. Since it is in the same folder. For testcase.py, do. However, this will work only if you are importing testcase from the package. If you want to directly run Python testcase.py, you would have to mess with your path. This can be done within Python. Though that is generally not recommended. In general, if you want other people to use your Python package, you should use distutils to create a setup script. That way, anyone can install your package easily using a command like python setup.py install, and it will be available everywhere on their machine. If you are serious about the package, you could even add it to the Python package index, pyp.
Exporting path is a good way. Another way is to add a.pth to your site packages location. On my Mac, my Python keeps site packages in /library/python shown below. I created a file called awesome.pth and in the file put the following path that references my awesome modules.
You can try. Because your project name is the same as the myapp.py, which makes it search the project document first.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.